finished my namaz zuhr, and after that I am sitting on my bed and also trying to practice. So whole day I could not complete my all tasks due to electricity, because since morning to around till 11 o'clock there was no electricity and no power, and I can't open the window due to heavy cold, and outside was heavy cold. Due to this reason I could not open the window. But now weather is very joy and very fantastic, and I have done my bath also, and I have completed my prayer also. So really, when I was not have a time for practice reading writing, but even I was watching English content video and also blog video. Really, it was a very good moment for me today. I feel a little bit joy, because the morning time I thought I will not watch some videos, but today I when I was video and not a motivation, because motivation type of video give us tension, but rather than we can also joy, we can feel also joy by another type of video, simple and light. So it was very good and great.